Namaste, myself Dr. Deepa, Ayurvedic physician. Today we are going to speak about magnesium, magnesium deficiency. So, in our body, for diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, or migraine or Alzheimer's, etc., these diseases can be prevented by magnesium. Next is we can go to symptoms of deficiency of magnesium. Mainly constipation will be there, because if magnesium is enough supplement is there, it will regulate the easy bowel movements in our body. Like that, if magnesium deficiency is there, it will create nausea, vomiting tendency, your appetite will be very less in that, you may be having much sugar cravings. So acid reflux, it will also be a reason, it will also be a symptom for the magnesium deficiency. You may get headache, frequent headache. You may get nerve diseases, neural some diseases. You may get some pain or numbness in your body, like that. Some twitchings will be there. Sometimes your eyes will be getting twitchings, or body in hands or legs, wherever it is, twitchings will be there. You will also feel like some memory or concentration less in your daily life. Migraine attacks will be more if your magnesium levels are very less. Like that, stress, anxiety, depression, and mind related problems will be more in magnesium deficiency patients. So, if you want to know your magnesium levels, you should go and do blood test for this deficiency. For the you can go to lab and test your blood result. You can test your blood. Next is you will get bone problems in your joints. Maybe you will be getting in a joint pain or inflammation, like that. Next is for cardiac. In cardiac patients or in normal patients also, your palpitations will be very it will be very much, very more in the than the normal. So there are so many reasons for the increased palpitations, but magnesium deficiency is also a reason for that. Next, for hypertension, you will get hypertension, BP also with this magnesium deficiency. And restless leg syndrome is also a sign for this magnesium deficiency. Then next is sportsman's. If you are a sports person, you will get the deficiency of the magnesium. Like that, in ladies also, before the menses or before the menopausal stage, they will get muscle cramps or acidity or pain in their lower abdomen, or like that, pain in their breast, etc. These are also the reasons. These are also magnesium deficiency will produce all these problems in our body. Next, we can go to what all things are we can eat or consume in our daily life for the if you are having deficiency of magnesium. You can use nuts, flax seeds. In nuts, you can use whatever nuts you want: cashew, badam, walnut, or flax seeds, or sunflower seeds, or pumpkin seeds, watermelon seeds. Whatever seeds you are getting, you can eat. Like that, curd is also a good option for that. Potatoes, green leafy vegetables, tomatoes, or you can use avocado is a great is a source of magnesium. You can use that also. Like that, dark chocolate, it is also a good option. Like that, dried green pieces, or fresh green peas, all types of beans contain magnesium. Like that, for whom we can for whom we need the supplement of this magnesium. Daily, one who are taking alcohol, or diabetes patients, or acidic nature, or if they are having acidity in their body, or kidney problems, or BP hypertensive patients. Like that, hormonal, if anybody is having hormonal imbalance, or any stomach related problems, ulcerative colitis, IBS, etc. So for all these people, they want extra supplement of magnesium. So these are the details about the magnesium deficiency. So if you are having any comments or any suggestions, please drop in the comment box. So please like and share. Thank you.